Happy National Nacho Day! I'm sure your feed is full of nachos, which are tasty and all, but here at Hot for Food, well, we want to feed your face with a new and fun take on nachos. I'm talking mozza stick nachos that are coated in a white corn chip breading. Now frying these are going to make the cheesy middles ooey and gooey and the outside crispy and golden. Plus it all gets topped with your fave nacho fixins. So let's get right into this easy recipe right now. To prepare your mozzarella sticks, all you gotta do is buy some store-bought vegan mozzarella sticks and cut them in half. Now take white corn tortilla chips and grind them into a crumb using a food processor, and you're gonna add this to the breading. Prepare your dredging stations by adding gluten-free flour into one bowl. In a second bowl, add non-dairy milk, white vinegar, and cornstarch. And in a third bowl, add gluten-free breadcrumbs as well as the ground-up white corn tortilla chips, plus chili powder, cumin, and sea salt. Add the first batch of mozza sticks to the gluten-free flour and coat them evenly. Then dredge them through the non-dairy milk mixture and let the excess liquid drip off before adding to the breadcrumb and chip mixture. Ensure your frying oil is heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and then work in batches to fry about 4 vegan mozza sticks at a time. Fry the first batch for 1 to 2 minutes, and then use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and drain over a paper towel. When you're done frying all the mozza sticks, place them on a parchment-lined baking tray and top with vegan cheddar shreds, red pepper, black olives, corn, black beans, fresh jalapeno, and white onion, and maybe a little more vegan cheese on top. Then throw this under the broiler of your oven for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then for serving, all you have to do is add some salsa and green onion. Oh, what an epic way to celebrate National Nacho Day, am I right? By the way, if you're taking some, send those vegan mozza stick pics my way. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.